Robert Heffernan, EndoTech, exclusively for the Pareto Network, streaming live on YouTube for now. This is Blockchain Vitals, your daily show covering cryptos, what I'm seeing, what I'm trading, what I'm doing, and some exciting stuff today. And a friend showed up today, but we're going to get to that after we do the rounds. Doing the rounds, we do it every day, talking what I'm seeing in crypto land. And what I wanted to show you today is the awesome, I'm going to disappear here, and what you're going to get is the EndoTech Analytics technical analysis page and the market sentiment thing, which the AI scans the news for you. Now look at that. It scans the news for you. And that market sentiment has all the headlines that the AI says are most applicable to the blockchain world. All right. And the one that stood out to me today was the news that Santander is using the Ripple X current blockchain technology for money transfers. For me, that's just monstrous news. Even though you're not going to transfer, Santander is not going to transfer crypto assets. They're using the technology to transfer fiat assets because it's faster, cheaper, and more secure. Oh, wow, that's just incredible, right? Anyway, this EndoTech page, the technical analysis, market analysis page, the market sentiment is the easiest place to get crypto news. And, go there, use it, man, use it. It's smarter than you are and faster than you are to give you what you need as far as news in crypto land. All right, news in crypto land. Anyway, the other couple of things I love seeing. Australia going to recommission a coal power plant to mine cryptos. All right, so I gotta, there's good and bad with everything, right? There's good and bad with everything. That one caught my eye. The other one, Deepak Chopra, going to be in a crypto conference, saging wisdom to the crypto followers that go to the conference, and maybe they can meditate. One thing you cannot meditate, though, what you cannot meditate, and let's go to the chart, because all the meditation in the world cannot and will not dissuade me from this chart formation and acting upon it. As I said, it's an old friend. Sometimes it's a welcome friend, and sometimes it's not. That's Bitcoin from today, and you know what it is. The doji. Now, usually I'm more leery about a doji if it's a multi-day, trend that it shows up in. Since yesterday was such a strong bull, but they put in that doji hammer. That's textbook. Again, I like to see, a longer run of days before I really think the doji is powerful. But I respect that formation so much, and it showed up in Litecoin. It showed up in XRP and Ripple. I punted on those babies because of that hammer doji. All right. Zcash, which I'm holding, it didn't do it, man. It held strong and didn't show the same formation. Therefore, I stayed in that. But XRP and Litecoin, which I was in, I said thank you very much for the nice run, and I will reevaluate, especially Sunday night, because we've been talking about these weekly momentum levels, because everything's been in low momentum on the weekly. So these things are going to be really key on Sunday night. So let's take the vitals and talk a little bit about it. Taking the vitals, we do it every day. The relative health or weakness from our perspective, from a technical trading point of view. And let's go to Bitcoin, trading 79.05, near the low end of value. That value range 78.94 to 82.20. Again, it moved so hard and viciously yesterday. We're still above the collar. It takes a couple days on that momentum model to catch up when you have a violent move. So The momentum model, not a lot of help right here, but the value range for sure is, and the pivot model for sure is. So 79.57 is the pivot, 78.94 the low of value, and 78.70 that pursuit risk level. So that pursuit risk level, that 78.7 level, very good place to enter a low risk long on this thing. But again, once with the doji that it put in on the daily chart, I don't like trying to pick bottoms here. You know what? I actually think that they're going to spend Saturday and Sunday revisiting that lower momentum level, which was 75.69. 75.69. You really want to see them close Sunday out of lower momentum on the weekly. 75.69. Let me say it one more time. 75.69 lower momentum on the weekly for Bitcoin. I think if they can close the week above that level, it'll negate the doji that they put in today. But I have respect for the doji. All right. Let's move on to Ethereum. Trading 494.99, right at the low end of its value range. It put in a doji hammer too on the chart. Again, for Ethereum, 499 was that lower momentum. 499 lower momentum. So they're back in lower momentum on a weekly basis. Again, markets have always said, what have you done for me lately? You have to have that constant reevaluation of price action and what it is telling you. So big moves for these things yesterday and today, but today's action not strong from a technical trader's point of view, these doji hammers that they're putting in. All right. So love to see Ethereum gain some ground here and close the week above 499. That's kind of the level that I'm looking at, 499 in Ethereum. And lastly, XRP trading 64.20. I punted on it today because of the doji. It's in its value range 62 to 68 in the value range. Weekly momentum, XRP 59.79. So still out of lower momentum on a weekly basis is XRP. But I want to see them prove it to me Sunday night where they are. You know, since cryptos never sleep, they'll be trading them all weekend. It's Saturday in Asia, right? If they're bored, they're trading cryptos. People are trading them for sure. And I want to see what happens for Sunday night and see where these things close. If they can maintain these low momentum weekly levels and close out of low momentum weekly, I'd be much more inclined to jump back in. Great places then to jump back in are these momentum levels, the up momentum on the dailies. All right, that's 56.99 here in Ripple. So a retracement to there, I might jump back in. I bought them great, sold them out. I didn't get the highs for sure, because if I'm selling on the doji formation, you know that the doji formation has already formed. So I missed a bit on the upside, but you know what? It was a great trade, and I'm ready to reload and look at the things going forward. Again, on Ethereum, Bitcoin, 0.0625 is that weekly low momentum level. Ethereum, Bitcoin, and right now it's trading 0.0627. So right there. This also, though, you know, I want to see how it closes Sunday night. And then I would be more favorable on my buys wherever they're at to be in Ethereum rather than Bitcoin on that cross basis. All right, listen, it's Friday night, and it's time to have fun. It's time to go out and enjoy the fruits of your trading, right? You're trading for some reason. You better define that. You better figure out why you want to make the money. And if you don't figure out why you want to make the money, when you make it, you won't keep it. Believe me, I've been there before too. You guys have a great weekend. We will see you Sunday night for a Blockchain Vitals weekly segment, talking the weekly levels and how they unfold. Until then, happy trading.